Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest automotive reviews and tutorials. Today, we're diving into the world of headlight restoration with the incredible car headlight restoration polishing kit. If you've been struggling with dull, yellowed, or foggy headlights, this is the product for you. Let me tell you, this kit is a game changer when it comes to bringing back the shine and clarity to your headlights. In this comprehensive kit, you'll get everything you need to completely transform your headlights. With the polish paste, UV protection liquid, sandpapers, masking tape, backing pad, and instruction manual, you'll have all the tools at your disposal to achieve professional results right in your own driveway. By restoring clarity to your headlights, not only are you improving their performance, but you are also enhancing the overall appearance of your vehicle. The process is simple and effective. Start by sanding with the P800, P1200, and P2000 sandpapers to completely remove any heavy yellowing, fading, or corrosion. Then, attach the orange sponge disc and apply the polish paste, polishing the lens until it's restored to its original condition. Finish off by protecting the lens with the white sponge disc and protect liquid, and you'll be amazed by the fresh, like new appearance of your headlights. With the various sets available, you can choose the one that best suits your needs, whether it's just the polishing kit, additional sandpapers, or extra sponges. And don't worry about shipping, we've got you covered with timely delivery and tracking included. So, do yourself a favor and invest in the longevity and appearance of your vehicle with the car headlight restoration polishing kit. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing product. Trust me, you won't regret it. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy driving.